Hi everyone, welcome to my scrapbooking corner. This is Annette, and my background is Basil cardstock for this layout. This is my first layout using the July kit. So I'm just trying to figure out what paper they want to use. And of course, they got Theo. And I'm just turning around to use my cutter bug behind me. Right, Ray says, "Yeah, cutter bug." Mm-hmm. I'm just cutting. So I was writing it down as I go. I guess that teal floral is Hip Kit Club's Flourish. Everything in this kit is Flourish. So that blue floral is Flourish. I'm going to use this pink geometric type shape I'm actually cut it into a strip. And that one is Flourish, Hip Kit Club's Flourish. I was thinking it was the pink one. I think it's that one right there. I don't know what else to call it besides a geometric type shape. There's Sabrina. And this is a picture of Ginger when I had Ginger. She would go in my little bag that I got, and I'd take her on a walk, and she'd just sit in the bag, and when she wanted to look out, she'd look out. And a lot of times she just took a nap. She was a cool cat. I miss her. Anyway. Casey, how come you're drooling or something? Huh? Huh? You're drooling? Huh? Yeah, I gotta get her to lose weight. She is so fat. Sorry, sometimes I forget that I am recording. I think I must be making a phone call. Oh yeah, because I'm writing the information out on my actual paper. Silly me. Anyway. So back to the layout at hand. Oh, there's Jack. That's Jax. He kept bothering me. He would not leave me alone. And they will turn 6 months Friday, so they're almost 6 months, not quite. Had them since just before my birthday, September 24th. It was Coco had been gone 2 weeks, and I had no intentions of getting another. I wasn't looking. I had no intention of getting another dog. And then a coworker said that these two, because if I did, when or if I was ready for another dog, I wanted 2 puppies, so that way I could maybe get that bond that Coco and I had, because I don't know, I still miss her, and I still cry, and I still upset, but like this was her way of saying, move on, it's okay. But I do miss her every day. Puppies have been a lot of work. A lot of work. They won't go out. I'm the one that has to let them out. They won't go out for nobody else but me. It's annoying. Where's my litter box thing? The vomit's been everywhere. Ugh, it does that sometimes. Races. Anyway. So, I used some cardstock that I had a scrap of, and used a school punch to punch, and I was trying to, see if I could bend it back and get it to cut, and then it works fine. Alright, so So Wisteria Basil cardstock is what I use for the photo mat, and I'm going to use the wood veneer. And actually, I do not use too much embellishing on this. Actually, wood veneer is Flourish. Die cuts are all Hip Kit Club's Flourish. Enamel dots are Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet from May 2021 kit. And then the On the Go chipboard phrase is Hip Kit Club's Delightful from the June kit. So after my title, I will add the enamel dots. Oh boy, there's Theo. It's not Reefing the Pain, it's Theo or Patton. Alright, I got all these notifications coming through. And so there's the enamel dots, and after I do that, that's all I do for this layout. So I'll let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.